Yun mga boss, wow, mag-uumpisa na tayo mga idol.
Ay, go to play.
35 under, SBB. Team White versus Team Orange. Number 29, number 0, it's good. Number 0, pass to number 20, Nadal. Number 0. Power move, it's good. Number 4, Delgado, pass to number 2, 24. Dela Santos. Number 2. Number 28. Also number Nadal for down. Short number 28. Rebound. Number 4, Del Prado. Field drop. No, rebound na kanino. Number 0. Also number 28. Nabitawan yun, idol. Score natin mga idol, all 4. We're down. Number 29. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 25 seconds mga idol. First quarter, babawi, huli. Nakuha ni number. Sa kanya pa rin, number 24. 24. Paso number. Pinasa sa kalaban yon. 24. Paso number 25. 24. Pull up jumper, no. Rebound number 4. Del Prado.
Napapasahan yung ano. Napapasahan.
Number 20, Nadal. Number 8. Paso number 28. 28. No rebound. Paso number. Dalawa kayo mga idol. Number 24. Dela Santos. Paso number 4. 24. Dela Santos. Nice pass mga idol. Number 20, Nadal. Hey, crossover. Side step. No, nabitawan. May foul. Bonus shot ni number 8. Basket. 1 under yan mga idol. Oras natin 5 minutes and 50 seconds mga idol. First quarter. Number 4, Del Prado. May foul.
Okay, bagay back. Easy foul.
Number 4. Del Prado. Paso number 24. Pull up jumper. Favorite shot. Dela Santos. Oras natin 5 minutes mga idol. First quarter. Score natin 11-6 mga idol. Lamang ang Team White kontra Team Orange.
11-6.
Number 8. Paso number 28. 24. Finish pass. Number 8. Oras natin 4 minutes exactly mga idol. First quarter. Number 1, Aleo. Pass to number 21.
14 seconds to good.
Number 5 is good. Number 0, huli. Pass to number 28. 24. Pull up J. No, rebound number 5. Pass to number 1, Aleo.
4 minutes exactly.
4 minutes exactly, mga idol. Huli ni number 91. Nice pass again. Number 28 is good.
3 minutes 40 seconds.
Oras natin 3 minutes and 48 seconds, mga idol. First quarter, number 5. Pass to number 88. We're down. No, rebound number 8. Pass to number 28. Side step. Number 28, no. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Jump ball.
Goal.
Pass to number 21, Rona. Number 21. 91, diretso. No, rebound number 28. Sayang yon. Number 88. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 48 seconds, mga idol. First quarter, 68-58. Huli ka. Pass to number 0. 28. 24. No. Rebound number 88. Number 88. Coast to coast. Pass to number 58. No.
Minutes, 10 seconds, 14 seconds,
Number 21, Rona. No. Let's go natin, mga idol. 15-10. Lamang ang team white. Kontra team orange. 2 minutes. Number 8, H-Bake. 28, H-Pass.
16. 1 minute 45 seconds.
Number 68, pass to number 21, Rona.
30. Seconds.
Number 1, Aleo.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Number 8,
40 seconds.
28. Hey, reverse, good. Number 28. Number 5. 88. We're down. No, rebound number 5. Number 5, no. Number 5 pa rin.
Number 5 pa rin.
It's good. Power move. By number 5.
50 seconds.
Oras natin 50 seconds. Finish pass, number 28. Ace, no, nilwa na rin yun. Number 88.
35 seconds.
68. No.
30.
30 seconds. First quarter, number 8. Till drop. Off the glass. Good.
20.
20 seconds. Number 88.
15.
15. 10 seconds. 21. Huli.
Represent score. 21-16.
Official score natin, first quarter, 21-16. Favor of Team White kontra Team Orange. Team Orange mga idol. Under 35 SBB.
Okay, second quarter tayo.
Second quarter.
Bola ng Orange. Orange ball. Second quarter. Di ba isang po second bola? Second bola, second bola. Wala, isang po second bola. Orange ball tayo, second quarter. Orange ball tayo. Second quarter. Orange ball.
Second quarter. Number 28. Pass to number 91. 91, huli. Ni number 11. Pass to number 3, Montemayor. Pass to number 36. No, rebound number 91. Pass to number. Huli. Ni number. Huli ka, number 24. 28, next pass. Huli pa rin, number 11. Pass to number 36, number 3, Montemayor. No, rebound na kanino. Number 25. Jump shot is good. Score natin 21-18 mga idol. Lamang pa rin dito ang team wide. Nice pass. 41. Jump shot. Is good. Number 41 is good. Number 91. Pull up jumper. No. Rebound number. Outside. Number 3, Montemayor. Hey, nice pass. 41. Umeke. No. 41. Huli. Number 11. 36. 36. No. Number 28. Binit. It's good. 41 dumulas mga idol.
Six minutes, 35 seconds. Ating second quarter.
Oras natin 6 minutes. Exactly, second quarter, 24. Hey, number 24 is good. Oras natin 6 minutes and 25 seconds mga idol. Second quarter na. Number 36. No. Rebound number 24. Number 28. Finish pass. 24. No, rebound number. Pass to number 3, Montemayor. Number 7. Traveling si Idol. Number 91 is good.
James Pebor, 24-23.
Lamang na ang Team Orange mga idol. 24, 23, 41, short. 20, nadaan na pass. Number 28, it's good.
5-16.
Oras natin 5 minutes and 9 seconds.
Number 11.
No. Score natin 26, 23 mga idol. 28, number 20, nada, it's good.
5 minutes. Number 20. 28-23. 5-point lead by Orange. Hamilton ball.
5 minutes and a second quarter, mga idol. Number 4, Del Prado, for down. No. Uli. The number, may foul.
The power by number 0 plus ball.
Number 4, Del Prado.
Number 29.
29, for down. No. 91. 91, huli ka. Pass to number, nabitawan. Number 0. 24. No. Sa kanya pa rin. Foul.
Foul by number 2. First personal foul, principal. In shot.
Number 24, unang tira. Basket, mga idol. Score natin, mga idol, 29-23. Favor of Team Orange, mga idol. 30-23.
3 minutes for the second.
Oras natin, 3 minutes. Exactly. Second quarter. Number 4. Number 4. Del Prado, dumulas. Number 4. Del Prado. Number 91. May foul.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Number 8, pull-up jumper. No. Rebound number 0. Pass to number 24. Dallas Santos. Good.
30-28.
Score natin 30-28, mga idol. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange. Number 20. Bam!
D-Boy Batyay. Two minutes 20.
24. Paso number 4. Del Prado. No.
Number
91. Paso number 8. Pull-up jumper. It's good.
35-28.
29.
1 minute 55 seconds.
No. Number 0. It's good.
30-31.
Oras natin 1 minute and 46 seconds, mga idol. Second quarter. Number 91, umikot. 91, foul. Basket, mga idol.
Ay, babalik. All number 0. Second personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot.
Bonus shot, the number 91, mga idol. Oras natin, 1 minute and 25 seconds, mga idol. Second quarter.
1 minute and 1 second.
24. De Los Santos, no, sayang yun.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Number 20, Natal, bam! Number 4, Del Prado, foul.
It's a foul by number 0 again. Number 0, second personal foul, second team foul.
Number 4, Del Prado, unang tira. Short.
In and out.
In and out.
1 minute 11 seconds. Ating second quarter. Last shot is rebound by the Bodo.
Number 4, Delgado. It's good.
1 minute 10 seconds.
91. Number 20.
1 minute exactly.
Oras natin, 1 minute exactly. Number 20. Nadal.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
10 over mga idol.
54 seconds.
Oras natin, 54 seconds. Second quarter. Number 4, Delgado.
50.
24, favorite shot. De Los Santos, no. Huli na kanino? Number 20, Nadal.
We got number 91.
Number 24.
20 seconds.
Number 24, De Los Santos. Pass to number 2. Number 2.
20.
Foul, basket, number 0.
The ball by number 0. Third personal foul, 31. Boom shot by number 0. 18 seconds.
18 seconds, mga idol.
15.
Number 0. 28. 91.
5.
No, rebound. 10 seconds. 24. 36. No.
He's ahead of the second quarter. 33-43.
Second half na tayo mga idol. Maya lang. Third quarter na tayo. At papalo naman, Wong TV mga idol. Meron rin akong YouTube channel, Wong TV. At meron tayong Facebook page, Wong TV mga idol. At sa profile, Boss Wong. Score natin mga idol. 43-33. Favor of Team Orange mga idol. Naghahabol ang Team White kontra Team Orange mga idol. Shoutout sa mga referee natin dyan mga idol. Committee natin na manisipag mga idol. Maraming salamat. Back to the ball game. Third quarter na mga idol. Sino ang mananalo? Team Orange versus Team White. Uusad na ba ang Team Orange kontra Team White, mga idol? Score natin 43-33. Favor of Team Orange, mga idol. Third quarter. Number 21, Rona. No. 88. It's good. Number 0. Natapikan. 24. Number 8. Pull-up jumper. It's good. Number 1. Number 3. Montemayor. Number 88. Number 21. Rona. 36. Pull-up jumper. It's good. Number 28. Pass to number 8. Huli. Nahuli number 88. Nagmamadali. Number 88. Traveling si Idol, mga idol. Sayang yun, mga idol. Score natin, mga idol. 45-37. Favor of Team Orange, mga idol. Number 0. Number 28. Okay, pass to number 24. Number 0. 24. Pass to number 8. Pull up Jay. No. Rebound number 5. 21. Rona. Pass to number 3. Montemayor. Pull up jumper. Pass to number 24. Number 8, 28. It's good. Number 3, pass to number 88. Number 88, number 5, off the glass. Number 8. Score natin 47-39. Favor of Team Orange. Number 28. Hey, pass to number 24. No. Rebound number 5. Oras natin 6 minutes exactly. No. Number 0. Huli. Number 3, Montemayor. Number 88. Pass to number 21, Rona. It's good. Number 28. Number 0. Rebound number 88. Pass to number 3, Montemayor. Hey, just step. Double, triple, mga idol.
5 minutes 32 seconds.
Oras natin, 5 minutes and 32. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Third quarter. Number 3, Montemayor. 21.
40 seconds.
Number 3, for down. Bam! Montemayor.
The ball is 7. Is a lead by Orange.
Score natin, mga idol. 47-44. Tatlo na lang inaabol ng Team White. Muli ni number 88. Number 88. Number 3, Montemayor. What a nice pass by number 88.
47, 46, 1.2 by Orange.
Oras natin, 5 minutes. Exactly. Our third quarter, mga idol. Score natin, 47-46, mga idol. Isa na ang hinahabol ng Team White. 98. 91 is good. Number 4. Belgrado. Hey, nice pass. Number 0. No. 28. It's good. 24.
4 minutes exactly.
29. De La Cruz. Number 0. It's good.
48.
Number 28. Score natin 51-48. Number 20, Nadal. No, rebound number. Pass to number 4, Belgrado. Pass to number 24. Belgrado, it's good.
51-50.
Score natin 51-50.
1.2 by Orange.
Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange kontra Team White. SBB under 35.
14 seconds to the shot clock.
91. May foul.
There's a foul. Number 11.
Number 8. Huli ni number 11. Pass to number 24. De Los Santos. Lamang na ang Team White.
2 minutes 50 seconds.
52. 51.
Number 50. 21.
91.
40 seconds to the shot clock.
24.
One, so good.
No rebound number.
Still another one. Number 8.
May foul.
There's a foul by number 11. Second, there's a foul, second foul. 14 seconds to the shot clock.
10 seconds to shoot. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 19 seconds mga idol. Nagkabal pa rin dito. Lamang na pala.
Number
Ang Team White. Hey, balik sa kalamangan. Sa Team Orange. Number 4. Paso number 24. No! Sayang yun ang idol. 91. 91. No rebound.
1 minute, 25 seconds. 53-52. 1.3 by Orange.
Score natin 53. Nadal. Yes, good. Number 20, Nadal. Score natin 55. Number 4, foul. No count yun, mga idol. Sayang.
Number 8, first foul. First foul. 1 minute 43 seconds.
Number 24, Montemayor. Number 20, Nadal. It's good. Score natin 59. 52. Lamang pa rin ng Team Orange. Kontra. Number 4, Belgrado. 28. 91, it's good. Score natin 29, foul, basket.
Foul by number 24. First personal foul sa Diba. Shot. 29.
Number 29, basket mga idol.
57 seconds. 57 goal, 55, 61. 50.
24.
seconds.
Huli. Paso number 4. Delgado. Number 4. Number 4 is good. Delgado. Huli. 30. Number 4. Short.
25 seconds.
35 seconds.
57, 61.
Number 20. 90. Nice pass.
15.
Number 24.
10.
Nice pass. Delgado. No. Sayang yung pagkakataon na yun. Nadal.
Hindi sa end of the third quarter. 57.
Score natin mga idol. 61. 57. Favor of Team Orange mga idol. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange kontra Team White. Last quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter mga idol.
Okay, the last of the third quarter. Bola ng Orange. What's the play? Fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter. Score natin 61. 57. Huli, number 8. Paso number 0. Number 0. Score natin 64-57 mga idol. Favor of Team Orange. 21, Rona. No, Nilwa. Number 28. No. Number 0, number 8. Paso number 3, Montemayor. Number 5, nice pass.
Habis George Bogdan.
91, crossover. Number 91, number 0. 14 seconds to shoot. 28, pull up jumper. Rebound number 3, Montemayor. Paso number 5. Number 5, no. Rebound number 36. Foul, basket.
Zero ball. Number 0.
Oras natin mga idol, 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Last quarter, fourth quarter mga idol. Sino ang makakauna ng laban na to? Team White versus Team Orange, 36. It's good. Score natin, 64. 63. Iisa lang ang hinahabol ng Team White kontra Team Orange. SBB under 35. Nandito tayo sa Binangonan Plaza mga idol. Number 0. Number 0. 91. Hey, binali. It's good. Number 88. 21. 25. Number 8.
Okay, break. 40 seconds. Hold the shot clock.
25. Number 91. We're down.
Number 91.
Down! Score natin, 69-63. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange. Number 88, nice pass. Number 5 is good. Number 91. Hey, nice pass. Huli. 36. Number 88. Huli.
40 seconds. Hold the shot clock.
Number 21, Rona. We're down. 91, crossover. 28. Traveling si Idol. May foul pala, black and foul mga idol.
3, first foul. First foul. 14 seconds. Hold the shot clock.
14 seconds to shoot. 25. Number 8. Pass to number 91. Pass to number 3. Montemayor.
Number 0.
Bang!
3 point by number 8.
Montemayor. Score natin 69-68. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Orange, mga idol.
14 seconds. Hold the shot clock.
Number 28.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Dead step. May foul.
Ay, foul tayo.
Si number 36. Time out, Team Orange, mga idol. Last quarter, fourth quarter na to mga idol. Oras natin 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Score natin 69-68 mga idol.
Okay, back to the game. 4 minutes, 42 seconds. Two shot.
One under, number 8. It's good. Sa pangalawang tira ni number 8, one under.
4:32.
It's good.
Double play by number 8. 1 minute, 32 seconds out of fourth quarter. Okay, number 3, give me the ball.
Number 3, Montemayor. Pass to number 8. 88, 36. 36. No. Rebound 91.
And minute 1.
Number 8.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Take the shoot. 4 minutes exactly. 5 to shoot.
Huli. 24.
Number 91.
91. No. 24. Huli.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds.
Oras natin 3 minutes and 30 seconds mga idol. 24. Number 8.
Shot clock on 6 seconds on the shot clock. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 36 out. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 6 seconds on the shot clock.
6 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Foul.
Ay, may foul tayo.
Si number 0.
Foul by 0. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 3 minutes 21 seconds.
Oras natin 3 minutes and 21 seconds mga idol. Score natin 68-71. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange. Kontra
72.
Team Orange mga idol. Kontra Team White mga idol. Bonus shot number 21.
Susan. 3 minutes 20 seconds sa ating fourth quarter, 71-68.
Number 0. Also number 88. Number 5. No.
Put back by River. Wala pa rin.
Number 5.
40 seconds on the shot.
88. No. Sayang yung pagkakataon. No? May foul.
Sa foul by number 3. Blind foul. Zero foul. 1 ball penalty. Side shot.
Oras natin 2 minutes and 51 seconds mga idol. Last quarter, fourth quarter mga idol. 88.
40 seconds on the shot.
Napaganda pa. Number 88. 24. Bella Santos. Favorite shot is good. Score natin 73-70 mga idol. Number 20. Natal. No. Number 8. No. Rebound number. Pass to number 4. Del Prado.
Alright, rebound tayo. Zerpao Perdi ulit. Perdi. 2 minutes 9 seconds. Dyan ako, penalty.
Penalty na, Team White mga idol. Oras natin 2 minutes and 9 seconds.
9 seconds.
Wala pa rin si number 24. Pangatlo na yan mga idol.
2 minutes 9 seconds. First shot of the shot.
Score natin 73-70. Basket. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange. Kontra Del Prado. Pass to number 24.
2 minutes.
No. Number 28. Pass to number 88. 24 is good. Score natin 74. 72 mga idol. Oras natin 1 minute and 44 seconds.
All minute 1. 40 seconds.
Oras natin 1 minute and 33 seconds. Last quarter, fourth quarter.
1 minute and 4 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 4 seconds. 8 seconds shoot. Four to shoot.
4 seconds to shoot.
4 to shoot.
Score natin 74. 72.
4
Nakang pa rin
seconds
na.
on the shot clock.
Team Orange. Kapit.
Ay, basa na. Sakto. Sakto. Shot clock violation. 1 minute 14 seconds. 1 minute 14 seconds.
Number 4. Paso number 88. Number 88. 24. Pass to number 5. Foul. Basket. Score natin. All 74 mga idol. 59 seconds mga idol. Lalamang ba ang Team White kontra Team Orange? Bonus shot. Deadlock tayo mga idol. All 74. 55 seconds. Nadaan.
50 seconds.
Number 4, Delgado.
45 seconds.
May foul.
After the border, the ball, 30 foul. 44, 30 foul, 44 seconds.
Oras natin, 44 seconds.
74, 76.
24, De Los Santos.
35 seconds.
Hey, number 5 is good. All tayo mga idol.
33 seconds.
Number 91, may foul.
Okay, sa foul.
Penalty na ang team.
88.
Team White.
Seconds. 88, that's the foul penalty. Dapat na siya ba? 28 seconds!
Oras natin, 28 seconds mga idol.
All 76.
Number 91. Lalamang ba? Wala mga idol. Score natin, all 76. Deadlock tayo.
Mag-asot. Tatay mo.
Final quarter, fourth quarter, 28 seconds.
All 76. Ay, time out 1. 28 seconds.
Lamang dito, ang Team Orange.
28.
77. 76.
76. Hindi, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na. Okay, fourth quarter na to. 28 seconds. Jaro, 14 seconds. All the shot na. Hindi ba? 13 pa orange. 13 pa orange. 13 pa orange. 13 pa lang. 28 seconds. 77.
28 seconds mga idol.
14 seconds. All the shot na.
Score natin, 77. Number 4, Del Prado.
24 seconds.
21, Rona.
20.
Foul.
Foul by number 4. Second personal foul penalty. 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Ano, tatay pagbago na siya.
Number 28. No, niluwa mga idol.
15 seconds na lang.
15 seconds. Final quarter, fourth quarter mga idol.
77, 76.
Sino ang kukuha ang panalo? Team Orange ba o Team White? Basket.
Time out. 15 seconds. Magkamot yan. Dalawa rin. Isa pa yan. 15 seconds.
15 seconds. Score natin 78, 76. Lamang pa rin dito ang Team Orange kontra Team White.
78, 76. 15 seconds. Yan sa fourth quarter.
Number 88.
10. Yes, about number 24. Number 34, more pressure foul, running for penalty. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Apat na foul na 34.
Number 88.
5.
21. It's good. 88. In overtime tayo mga idol. All 78. All 78 tayo. Deadlock mga idol. Overtime.
Overtime isa. Wala na. Ay, overtime. Tigisa ang timeout. Oh, 78. Ang sarap na rin yung boy. Dahil mas ganun. Hey! Bola tayo ng white. Okay, white ball.
Overtime tayo mga idol. Overtime. Number 3, Montemayor. Number 24, Rona. 21. No, 24. De Los Santos, 21. It's good. Rona. Put back.
87-8. Getting stable.
Lamang na ang Team White mga idol. 80-78. 91. May foul.
Sa foul by number 24. First pass of foul penalty. Pero na tayo both teams. Our penalty situation.
Number 91. It's good.
Number shot good. 80-79.
Pangalawang tira ni number 91. No. Rebound. Number 88. Number 3, Montemayor. 88. Nice pass. Sayang mga idol. Oras natin, 4 minutes exactly mga idol. Yan ang overtime mga idol.
4 minutes exactly.
91, umigot. 91, no, rebound, number 24, may foul.
Ay, sa foul.
Penalty, mga
Number
idol.
29. First personal foul penalty. 3 minutes, 52 seconds.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and
Time left
52 seconds. 3 minutes and 52 seconds.
In and out.
In and out, number 24. Score natin 80-79. Favor of Team White.
Ay, deadlock tayo.
Deadlock tayo mga idol. All 80.
All 80.
Number 88.
Number 88.
Rona, 21.
Number 21.
Nice pass, 29.
Isang foul. By number 8. Second personal foul penalty. Both teams are penalties still. First shot shoot. 29, 8, 81, 80.
It's good. Number 29.
3 minutes, 41 seconds. 82, 80.
Number 8. Pass to number 20, Nadal. We're down. No. Rebound, number 8.
14 seconds, Shaka. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Third shoot.
Huli. Ni number 24, De Los Santos. Number 3, Montemayor. Number 24. Number 3. 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 88. 24, De Los Santos, favorite. 21, no.
2 minutes 40 seconds.
Oras natin, 2 minutes exactly, mga idol. In overtime. 88. 24. Number 3, may foul.
First special foul, decision, penalty. Sub rep. 2 minutes 29 seconds. Masih sub rep. Sub. Oh, sub. Mana. Bigyan mo na. Labas muna. Nabigyan na. Pag na-shoot, 2 minutes 29 seconds.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 29 seconds. In ang overtime. 29. Hey, that's step. No. 24, De Los Santos. 91, no? No, rebound number 3. Montemayor. 24. May foul.
Number 10 Pato Goodwood. Lima na. 2 minutes 7 seconds. Lima na, 10 4, 5 na, graduate na. Graduate 10. Number 10 graduate na. 5 na. Okay, process good. Okay, na shot, Mr. Bang. 2 minutes, 7 seconds.
2 minutes and 7 seconds. In overtime, number 88 is good. Last 2 minutes in overtime, mga idol. Number 8. So natin, 84-80. Lamang na ang team white. Number 8, binali. No. Number 0. 10 seconds to shoot, 28. Huli. Sa kanya pa rin. Number 4. Pass to number 24. De Los Santos. Good. Number 20, Nadal. 28. Crossover, 28.
1 minute 16 seconds.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 4. Del Prado.
1 minute exactly. 10 seconds to shoot.
88 for down. Down.
50 seconds.
50 seconds, my idol. Number 0. No. Rebound number 8. May foul.
So foul by number 5. First special foul, 37 seconds. Ay, kasi ito good.
One under, score number 8. Score natin.
37 seconds.
89, 81 mga idol.
30.
Number 3, Montemayor.
2 seconds, 24 seconds.
Number 4, Del Prado. Number 3, Montemayor.
14 seconds.
14 seconds. in overtime. 10. Number 8. Number 28. It's good. And in overtime, panalo ang Team White kontra Team Orange. Final score 89-83 mga idol. Yun mga boss Wong, maraming salamat. Papalo naman Wong TV and sa page ko Wong TV, at meron rin tayong YouTube channel mga idol, Wong TV 12, at Facebook profile Boss Wong mga idol. Maraming salamat. SBB under 35 Binangonan Rizal.